Hey guys, Spence and Gabby here with Core 4x4, back with another video on the XJ series. Now, we've given this a lot of love underneath. We've done the suspension, the long arm kit, the lift, the shocks, the steering. It looks great under there. We sat it back down, we saw the top, and we're like, we got to do something.
It's still ugly.
Yeah, it's bad. It looks pretty bad. And I've really been wanting to do a Rhino line for a long time, so I figured why not? So we're gonna Rhino line this Jeep today. And it's going to be quick and dirty. It's not going to be the best, but we're just going to scuff it up, sand it. And
it's a trail Jeep. It doesn't need to be
perfect.
perfect.
It's going to be like a beater Jeep. We also have the new shop, so we get to go over there and play.
No, I think it'd be great. Like, it's been really cool through the series. Like, this Jeep for a long time has not been running. It's been sitting for over 5 years, and now we have it running. It has a whole new suspension, long arm kit, everything up underneath, and now we're going to make it a little bit pretty up top and hopefully take it out on the trails soon.
Over here, we're going to start by just tearing off everything we can. We'll mask off everything we can't, and we'll start sanding, and we'll just see how far we get.
Sounds great.
You got it.
Whoops. Stripped it off. All right, so we took all of the trimming off, the bumpers, the letters, the roof rack, basically got it down to just the parts that we're going to be painting. We are still going to mask the Jeep, clean it, sand it, do a lot of our prep for the Rhino lining, and we are kind of in the new shop, which has nothing in it. Recently acquired, so we're going to go ahead and make a little bit of a mess now before, you know, Spence goes ahead.
Before we move in,
yeah. Before Spence moves in to the new shop.
Yeah, we have an empty warehouse, so we're going to take advantage of it and use the space. We're really going to do a quick and dirty Rhino line. We are going to scuff everything and try to get most of the rust off. This is just a beater Jeep. We don't care. We just want it looking better. We want a tough exterior, so we're just going to get it roughed up, get it Rhino lined, and get it on the trail.
Should be easy. We're going to do some masking and then sand it, clean it, mask the rest of everything, and then paint it. It's going to be annoying to do, but
yeah, it's going to suck. But if you've ever done one of these at home, I think we're like maybe $500 into this, and you can do this at home. So this is kind of a cool way to brighten up an old Jeep. I mean, it's been sitting in the sun for 6 years and it's showing, so we're gonna get at it. All right, so we are over at the other shop. We've done all our sanding. We've washed it down. We really got into it and we realized there was a bit of rust. So we're gonna do some rust treatment and a sealer coat before we do our Rhino line. But really, hopefully, most of the hard work is done. We brought some help over, yeah, because it's a lot of sanding. It's a lot of work.
The prep's always the most work when it comes to something like this. And it's the part that everybody hates the most.
And it's the most important part. You don't do your prep right, your coating's gonna fail. But right now we just need to get everything masked off and rust treatment. So we got Pour 15 for the Rhino line kit. We just did a Sherwin-Williams like house brand. We're gonna try that out. I've never Rhino lined before. I have sprayed a little paint. All right, so now we're gonna get it masked off, do the rust treatment, and get ready for the primer coat.
It's like it's wearing a skirt.
Okay, so we've done our masking, we did our rust treatment, and all we did there is we focused on our problem spots, which were mainly the hood where there was some deep pitting, and the roof. The roof was really bad, so we used the POR 15 rust preventative, rust killer, I don't know what it is.
Bye-bye rust.
Yeah, so the rust is gone. We've done the pre-treatment, and we've just been really waiting for paint to dry. And it's finally to the point where we can do our sealer coat and get ready to do the Rhino line. So we're just gonna wait a little bit longer, and we're gonna get into the fun part where we start spraying. It's gonna go pretty quick now. The sealer flashes in 15 minutes, and then we're right into Rhino lining, and then we should be done.
Pretty excited. Been waiting so long just for this moment.
Yeah. Start on the back where we don't care, I guess. And there's no light back here, of course.
All right, first thoughts, what do you think?
Oh my gosh. I was questioning at first with how bad the roof was and the hood, but it's worth it.
It looks good?
Yeah, looks good.
Better anyway?
Yeah.
Doing the Rhino line, I did not realize it was like this sticky and tacky.
Yeah.
It has been one heck of a journey with this XJ, I'm not gonna lie. And I just watched you do most of the work.
Yeah, and really when we started, we said quick and dirty. It wasn't quick. It was definitely dirty though. Like this was a mess and a lot of work, and I was kind of hating it for a minute, but seeing it now, it's worth it.
It looks good.
Yeah, it looks
so
really
much
good.
Better.
Just makes everything else that's wrong with it look a little more ugly, like wheels, windshield. So yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
This is cool. I'm toying with what flares I want to run and what bumpers we want to run. So if you guys have any ideas, please comment in the down
Comment
below.
section below.
Yeah, let us know if you want to see anything. I'm open. We got to do bumpers, flares, wheels, tires, all the accessories, roof rack maybe, I don't know. Thanks for watching the video. This has been an awesome one. If you have any questions, always reach out. Feel free to ask us or comment down below. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. That really helps us out. And we'll see you guys in the next one.